Hey, it's Patrick here. Check out this awesome red-tailed hawk that I caught right outside of my apartment window. It just grabbed this gray squirrel off the lawn across the street and flew up to this white pine and devoured this gray squirrel. So be warned, this video can be a little gruesome, but that's what you can expect when you're watching birds of prey. This is the most common hawk in North America. You can often see them on roadsides or flying above fields where they're hunting for their prey, which is usually small rodents or small birds. They can go and see a mouse from 100 feet above. So that's pretty good eyesight. If you'd like to see this kind of stuff and more, make sure to like and follow, and I'll see you at the next sighting.